Alright, hey, what's up? Um, Look, let me just show you this real quick. Alright, look what I said. I said this on Sunday. Buy the Dogecoin dip, make a quick 8%. It's going back to 0.39, just saying. Put $1 in it and just watch it go back to 0.39. I said put just $1 in it, just in case, like, y'all are skeptical. I, I don't want to say put $100 in it because then I feel bad if y'all lose money. With this whole stock shit, you know, you can't predict it, you know. There's ways to increase your chances, but I felt that I was fucking completely certain. But let's say fucking an hour after I said this shit, we just went to fucking war and my homie put $100 in this. I would have felt fucking bad. Anyways, ended up going at 0.38. I, I would call that a fucking W. Unfortunately, I didn't have the buying power to buy that call out, I guess you could say. Call out. Um, my homie was giving me shit because I said, "Bro, I just gave you the sauce." And then he said, "What? The sauce is buy low, sell high?" And I said some shit like, "What, you think I just pulled that number out of my ass?" I said, "How you think I know it's going to go to 0.39 or 0.38, whatever? It just doing the same shit it did yesterday. See the pattern?" Um, and I'm kind of just telling them like, "Hey, you could set alerts for when the price um, gets to where you want it to be, and you could fucking buy in." You know what I mean? And by the way, this is me. It's just my other fucking Instagram. See? And let me just show you this real quick. I did chart out Dogecoin. I did record it, but I didn't really feel like posting it because I was kind of stuttering a lot. I felt like a fucking retard. Look at, I did some squiggly lines. These squiggly lines, I'm kind of just explaining that this is for future also. If you see Dogecoin with good momentum break above zero point 0.4, if you see like how these squiggly lines are, not these squiggly lines are kind of an exaggeration, but if you see Dogecoin fucking don't, and it just fucking phew, whips past it, maybe it does a double top like don't, like it's just bouncing on that resistance. We could see Dogecoin like that, you know what I'm saying? That hey, I'm not a fucking financial advisor or anything like that. In my opinion, I do the bare minimum. I just see patterns like I'm doing what I think is right. Like I fucking look at this. Look at my charting. You see how it's bouncing off of those supports? Like look at this shit. You might be thinking right now like, okay, you're putting lines on a fucking chart. What do we do with those lines? I'll get to that shit, all right? You just hold on. You fucking keep your panties on, all right? Fucking especially you ladies, keep your panties on, all right? Like, look, I'll tell you how to get into something like this, because this is what I like to be getting in these double bottoms. Because when it double bottoms, you know, especially when you're in a good stock like SoFi, you know it's gonna fucking thunk, 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 thunk. You know what I'm saying? Guess how much money I made in there. You don't want to know. Ladies, I got a fucking Lambo in my garage. No, I'm just playing. No, what for now? Yeah, I'm telling you, this year, something's gonna happen. Alright, anyways, what I wanted to fucking let the homies know about right now is about this. Some terminology. Alright? We can't fucking jump ship without knowing this, alright? Alright. What's ATH? All-time high. Why is this important? I'll explain. Let's get rid of this. You wanna know what I'm listening to? Right here. Excuse me. Can you hear me? Alright. Alright, let's explain what I'm talking about. All-time high. Why is it important? Why do I think it's important? So let's say we're looking at the stock Palantir. Well, first, let me show you what an all-time high looks like. Okay. Let me show you real quick, my bad. I bet I jump around. Trust me, watching me is better than watching any of these fucking big-time YouTubers. They fucking complicate shit. Tell you fucking... They're fucking telling you calculus. That's an exaggeration, but they complicate it. I tell you the fucking Gen Z way. The Arizonan way. You know what I'm saying? My bad, I just gotta make sure my camera's working. Alright, let me just get back to all-time high. So all-time high, it's the highest price that the stock has ever been at. So for example, for Palantir, it's either 84.80 or 82.18. It's one of those. My bad, I don't use Yahoo Finance. I'm a Robinhood guy. Sorry. Alright, anyways. Why is all-time high important? So let's say the all-time high is $80. Okay? All-time high. Okay? And let's say the stock is currently trading at $74 and it's fucking moving. Let's say it's 10 o'clock and it's ripping, you know? Some good news came out. Let's say Palantir came out with some good software that would cure cancer. Of course that's good news, right? It's fucking good news. Anyways, it's fucking going. Boom, it just hit $80. Maybe it bounces down a little bit because people are a little bit nervous. Like they're thinking, wait, it's about to hit an all-time high. Isn't that kind of scary? Like, aren't people gonna take some profit? So maybe it dips down a little bit. But then they're like, nah, fuck it. Let's break that world record. You know what I'm saying? Bro, in the stock market, trust me, there is psychology. No joke. No fucking joke. So it dips. They're like, fuck it, let's go for the world record. Boom, some more momentum comes. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, now look. The new all-time high, $85. New all-time high. Okay. So that's what all-time high means. Alright. Before I move forward, let me just fucking explain real quick. The stock market is open Monday through Friday. 7:30 to 2 p.m. And this is Arizona time, by the way. 2 p.m. Arizona time. Arizona time. And it's closed holidays. Closed basically every fucking holiday, even fucking Jimmy Carter Day. Arizona time. Closed holidays. Alright. I just think you guys should know this because I have no idea how new you guys are. Alright. End of day. End of day is what the stock price is at the end of the day. Why is it important? Because we need to know what we're looking at for Monday. You know what I'm saying? So something I guess you could look at is PLTR pivot levels. This is something I've been looking at recently. So PLTR pivot levels. So you can see 78.98, 78.98. So for Monday, what you could look at is, let's say Monday, okay. Maybe the stock goes to 79.08. These are all resistance levels, by the way. So that's a resistance. Maybe it breaks that resistance, but then it just fucking, remember, if you break resistance, it becomes support. You know what? I'm not going fucking through this because this is for fucking noobs. I know you're a noob, maybe, but this is not the topic. This is the topic right now. FOMO, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. For example, um, GME, GameStop. Maybe some of you people know. Remember when it went to like fucking, I guess apparently it went to like $100. People fucking missed out on that. Like they wanted in because they were hearing people were becoming millionaires, shit like that. Fuck, I want to be a millionaire. I'm fearing of missing out. So when you get a fear of missing out, they want to buy in and they end up losing money. So, try not to have FOMO. Do your own research. Um, I shill SoFi a lot. I'll explain that in a second. I shill SoFi. I think it's a good company. I'm not going to explain why it's a good company. Do your own research. Because if you don't buy, you're going to fucking miss the boat. Just saying. Maybe I'll explain SoFi. The homies know what's up with SoFi. Just saying. Dollar cost averaging. I'm telling you guys a lot. I'm giving you the sauce, not the recipe. You feel me? Dollar cost averaging. Alright, for example, let's say you buy SoFi. Speaking of SoFi, let's say you buy SoFi at 1792. Okay? And then it drops down to 1750. Buy some shares there. Dollar cost average. Okay? What that's going to do is lower your average cost, which is good. Let's say excuse me. Let's say it drops down to $17. Buy some more shares. Dollar cost average. Okay? Um what it's doing is lowering your fucking, god damn it. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. Forget what I just said. No cuts. I do this shit raw. Stop loss. Stop loss. Let's say you buy SoFi at 1792, and let's say you're purely buying it because Tyler told you to. All right? And you're optimistic about it. So you put a stop loss in at 1790. What it's going to do is, let's say SoFi drops to 1790. What it's going to do is sell you out. That way it limits your losses. It's something I should do. I don't fucking do it. What I do is I just fucking pay attention to my phone so that I'm in control of what I'm selling. It's not the smartest thing to do. Stop loss is definitely what you should be doing. And one of my friends should be doing. Yeah. Take profit. Basically, just the opposite of stop loss. It's just gonna take profit for you. I don't know why anyone would fucking do that. I would just be on my phone doing it manually. You know what I'm saying? Bullish. Um, Basically, bullish means you're a fucking beast. I'm just playing. No, it means you think the market's gonna go up. Um, Me personally, I'm bullish on SoFi. I think SoFi is gonna go up, meaning I think the price is gonna go up. I have good hopes for the company. All right, I'm not typing all that shit. Hopefully you wrote it down. Okay. Bearish, the complete opposite. They're fucking pussies. They're fucking get no bitches. They can't get their fucking bitches pussy wet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they're just fucking little dick pussies. Catalyst. Basically, good news or bad news that drives the market. All right, so I can give you a quick. Let me make sure I'm recording. All right, so good news or bad news that drives the market. Catalyst. What's a catalyst? For example, when Trump got not inaugurated, but elected, which was around like November-ish. Bitcoin was only trading at like 60,000, 64,000. And Trump is a very God damn it, I can't. Trump is very pro crypto. He's very bullish, remember bullish. He's very bullish on crypto. And look what that did to the crypto price, to the Bitcoin price. So right here, this is around the time Trump got elected. So boom, Trump got elected. Hold on, you see, 67,000. Okay, Trump got elected. You see how quick that shit just ran up? Look at that. So that's a catalyst. That's a good catalyst right there. That's a good catalyst for crypto. Okay, what's an example of a bad catalyst? I don't know because I'm not a fucking pussy ass bear, and neither should you. We don't raise bears around here. Your mom shouldn't have raised a fucking bear. I don't care. Dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce. Look, you wanna know who's a fucking bear? David Chivarini, right here. This guy right here. I'll get to the dead cat bounce shit in a second. All right, look, this guy right here, David Chivarini. He's a bear. What he's doing is giving SoFi a poor analyst rating. He's saying that SoFi should only be worth like $6. And bro, look at SoFi. Look at and watch. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna just give you some quick game with SoFi. All right, it's not really game. It's more like some history, some lore, I guess, within the past month of SoFi. SoFi was fucking running up. It was at like $18 before, but all these analyst ratings were coming out, and David fucking Chode was giving all these ratings out and shit. And look, they're not doing shit, bro. It's just I'm buying these dips right here. I'm buying these up, and boom. All right, you get the point. All right, dead cat bounce. Basically, I gotta fucking pull up a picture. What's a dead cat bounce? Look right here. A dead cat bounce is a short-term recovery in a declining trend that does not indicate a reversal of the downward trend. So let me just pull up the photo. All right, so the stock market, let's just say it's overall bearish, meaning it's overall in a downtrend. So you see the downtrend, and then there's a short-term recovery right here. But it's still bearish. I would not try to make money right here. You could lose. You could lose, okay? Just wait. Just wait till you recover, you know? When I give you some game on options, maybe go for it, you know? Me personally, I don't like being a fucking bear. But I may switch, you know? Cuz sometimes you got to play both sides. All right, Black Swan. This is like your fucking purge, fucking recession, fucking 9/11, fucking war, fucking. You get the idea. Oh, um, what was it? This isn't really a black swan, in my opinion. That port strike that happened pretty recently in like December, maybe November. Port strike. Basically, whenever something like this happens, it makes the stock market go fucking down. It dips a lot. Hopefully, it's just for a couple days, maybe 5 days, hopefully, just 2 weeks. But when it dips, it recovers. Okay, don't worry. Excuse me. If you're in a good stock, your shit's gonna recover, and most likely, it's gonna make an all-time high. Remember, all-time high. All right. Okay. Now, let me see how long I've been recording. 20. God damn. Okay. All right. Shill. It's basically what I've been doing this whole time. Fucking shilling SoFi. Talking about SoFi. Talking about SoFi. Talking about. No. Trying to get you to buy. Alright. Shilling is trying to get you to buy a stock. It's up to you if you want to buy fucking SoFi. Do your own research on it, okay? Because, fuck. On Monday, they release earnings, and who knows? The whole fucking trend could flip. And I don't want to be responsible for you losing money. Don't get me. I'm still in SoFi, heavy. So, shit. I'm not being like I'm not. Yeah, you get the idea. So, hold on. Let me just make sure I don't got anything else. Hold up. Oh, okay. FOMC meetings. FOMC meetings. All right. What are FOMC meetings? All right, Jerome Powell. All right. So this guy right here, Jerome Powell, he will make or break your stock, your call options, your fucking options. Basically, there's these things called FOMC meetings that happen, I believe, like once or twice a month. If I would only worry about it if you're doing options, because if he releases some data, whatever, what is it, PCE, whatever, fucking, if he releases some data that is negative, the fucking stock market is gonna dip. It is gonna dip by who fucking knows. But I have lost money because I wasn't paying attention to the FOMC meeting calendar. And the next thing you know, there's a fucking meeting. And he said some bullshit. And my stocks just fucking tanked. So that's why he's a fucking cornball. And people want him out of office because they don't think, and I don't think, that one person should be able to control the market, really. He doesn't control the market, but there shouldn't be a meeting every fucking month just to tell us how inflation is doing, you know what I'm saying? We don't need to know that bread is going up. You know what I'm saying? It's bullshit. Like, look at these memes. And then look, some days he can say some good shit. Don't get me wrong. All right. Hopefully I didn't put y'all to sleep. Hopefully you took some notes.